Here at the facility, we ensure only the freshest yellow mangoes are processed on our state-of-the-art conveyor system.
In these vast mango orchards, advanced machines carefully harvest each ripe mango with precision. These machines collect ripe mangoes with speed and care, ensuring every fruit is handled gently. A skilled team careful hand sorts each mango to ensure perfect quality. The freshly harvested mangoes are quickly organized and loaded for immediate transport. The loaded truck carries fresh mango crates toward the packing facility.
The fully loaded truck arrives at the main mango processing facility.
The truck doors open, revealing stacks of freshly harvested mango crates.
Each crate is handled carefully to keep the mangoes in perfect condition. The workers gently unload each mango crate with care and precision.
The crates move through the automated system as each mango enters the sorting line.
We're getting some uneven drying here.
Adjust the heat in zone 3.
Fresh yellow mangoes are now collected into the storage tanks for the next stage.
The consistency looks perfect today.
Yes, the mangoes are excellent.
The flow rate looks good on the mango line.
Check the viscosity on tank 4.
The flow rate is holding steady at 500 liters per minute.
Good. Keep an eye on the pressure.
Check the temperature on the blend. It's rising slightly.
Dialing it back now. Parameters are stable.
We are running smoothly today. Yes, the new calibration really helped the throughput.
The weights are holding steady at 250 grams.
Good, the calibration is accurate.
Look at this spike right here.
It's within the acceptable range, but let's monitor the next few cycles closely.
We're seeing a slight fluctuation here.
It corrected immediately. The automated check passed it.
Check the alignment on that last box. Looks perfect from here. The calibration held up.
we're hitting the target density right here.
Confirmed. The batch is looking good.
The viscosity levels are optimized now.
Good. Prepare for the cooling sequence.
Process of making mango juice and mango jam.